Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2, real quick. The other Part 1, you might be a little bit lost if you didn't watch Part 1, but this is where we kind of came to make this shape. So I'm going to nudge these over, and this is so easy. I can't believe I didn't think of it on the first video. Well, I kind of did, but I would have just made it like this instead of. So just take your polygon tool, set on 3 sides, and draw whatever size arrow you want, and then flip it. And then bring it into the picture, and you could still make it bigger. We don't have to worry about sizing it. You could hold down the shift key and it'll grow from the inside out. And then all you do is just take these and voila, you get your arrow, and then you just do the same thing we did. And I always like nudging them out of the way, and then take your interactive fill tool and just put a little darkness up there, and whoop, I missed it. I never miss it when I'm just working. I miss it when I'm talking. And anyway, that to me would be a lot quicker. And the other thing is your arrow can be more in line. You could still bring it down if you wanted. We could have cut it here and here. If you wanted your line longer, hold down the control button, and you could actually delete this line and then take another line and draw it through there. And then this is your long line. This is going to be your short line, because that way your arrow is going to be longer on this end than it is on this end. Kind of give it a different look. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.